Go.
Hi, Ate Michelle, Kuya Randy, congratulations po. Ate Michelle, welcome to the family. We're so happy to have you. Best wishes, God bless.
Hi Manong, hi Ate Michelle. Congratulations and best wishes. Sayang wala kami dyan para makapag-celebrate sa inyo. Pero celebrate na lang tayo ulit pag uwi nyo. God bless and take care. Bye.
Hello Manong and Ate Michelle. Congrats po sa successful na wedding ninyo. Pray namin na sana laging nanatiling healthy ang relationship nyo as a couple. God bless po and good luck.
Hi Nong. Sa bago namin ate, Ate Michelle, welcome po sa family. And congratulations sa inyong dalawa. And best of luck. Hello Manong, Ate Michelle. Congrats, best wishes. Ingat po kayo lagi. Kita-kits na lang po pag uwi niyo rito. God bless.
Congratulations and God bless.
Hi, Ron and Michelle. I wish I could be there on your big day. But still, we're so happy for you. Okay? God bless and good luck. Love you.
Hello, Randy and Michelle. Hindi kami ka-attend sa inyong new big day, but the family and I are extending our best wishes and congratulations from the Davao relatives.
Randy at saka Michelle, sana masaya kayo sa inyong wedding. Hinahangad ko at dalangin ko sa may kapal na kayo ay magsasama ng matiwasay at habang buhay kayong magmamahalan. Yan ang dapat sa magsasama ng tapat sa isa't isa. Maligayang maligaya ako sa inyong pagsasama.
Congratulations. Say to Tito Randy, congratulations.
You still have time to change your mind. People usually make mistakes. Make sure you don't make same mistake as us. You still have time to change your mind.
Merry Christmas.
Hello, Ray. Kumusta na? Merry Christmas. I heard that you're getting married. Best wishes na lang. Bye.
Best wishes. Oo, kilala ko. Kasi ano.
Ngayon ka palang pala
All the best.
Hello there. Congratulations mga anak. Randy and Michelle. Hari nawang patnubayan kayo at gabayan ng ating Panginoong Diyos. Nang sa gayon, sa lahat ng pagsubok na daratal sa inyo ay magiging matagumpay. Hari nawa na kayo ay tunay na magmamahalan at kayo ay maggagalangan, magre-respetuhan at kailangan ang walang hanggang pag-unawa sa isa't isa. Again, congratulations mga anak. God bless you.
Congratulations to your new life together.
Best wishes for a lifetime of love and happiness.
Congratulations to Tita and Tita.